Ecom Premium. Today we will see how Tidio works in Shopify as a chatbot, how it's helpful for us. So if you haven't know about Tidio, what Tidio does, how it is useful for Shopify, especially to drive more sales with the help of chatbots like here. If you want to integrate it regarding help on your store, regarding billings, regarding installation, chatbots. So first of all, you have to click this if you want to get 20% off the Tidio premium plan. So you have to visit Tidio / this link in the description of Ecom Premium. So after clicking on it and installation, you will see this type of dashboard. So in here, you will see we're going to be integrating Tidio chatbots. Here in the section, you can see we do have this dashboard available with us. We have to simply integrate it with, you can integrate it with any of your platform you are on, but today we will be showing a live tutorial on how we will be integrating it with Shopify. So you have to select your platform here, and you have to give the URL of your Shopify store. If you do have just like this, you simply have to give the URL of your Shopify, and in here you will be using it like this. Before my Shopify, you will be using it like this. Okay, after writing the URL of your Shopify store, simply click on connect to Shopify. And once you will click on connect to Shopify, it will take you to this section here. Okay, once you will be clicking on your Shopify section, you'll see like this Tidio live chat, and you have to simply click on install it. After clicking on install, you will see it like this, loading your Shopify integration. Okay, cool. Now our Tidio has been integrated with Shopify, and then you have to go to Shopify theme editor of your Shopify store. Okay, once the theme editor has been opened, you have to simply enable the Tidio chatbot here in the app section of your theme editor. Okay, now you see we are in this section here. It is enable Tidio chat widget, and you have to click on save. Once you will click on save, after the changes have been saved, you will see that okay, to make the Tidio chat widget visible for your visitors. Okay, now you can see that if we go to our store here in the preview section, okay, you see, and now this has been visible to us on our Shopify store. Okay, you can see this is like this. You will see your automated boss here or your live chat representative for your store. And this is like this, and now we will be customizing it properly, like the widget has been added to our website. Now we will start our first conversation. Going to start conversation. You have a real visitor, try to engage them now. Okay, you can simply click on it, and you will see that here in the inbox section. Okay, and you will get the notification like how somebody is joining. Okay, we will be clicking on join conversation, and you can enable notification for any of your visitors coming on your stores like this. Okay, now you see It's here. If you write something as a visitor here, and you click on send, you can also give just like we will customize this later. Okay, in here if you see we got this thing, and you can start conversation in here. So we'll be setting it up. We have started our first conversation. So now personalize your chatbot scenarios. So we'll be going to edit chatbots. Okay, in here the first option is increase sales, and you can add from scratch as well as you can add from templates. Impact your revenue with chatbots. You can now create discounts in Tidio to boost your sales. Add a new template or update an existing chatbot. So we'll be adding it from templates. So in here you see we do have recommended templates available in Shopify by Tidio. Is cart abandoned, cart booster, and then we do have FAQs for online stores, autoresponded for stories, reply actions, upselling board, free shipping, and then handle missed conversations, product recommendations, spinning wheel. We do have product remove from the cart, chat.me discount code for a review, and lost items in stock, and then proactive welcome message and reactive welcome message and discount for new visitors. So in here, you see, we'll be first setting up cart abandoned. We'll be clicking on use this template here. And in here in the cart abandoned, we'll be first of all, we'll be see that how it works, and clicking on test it out. So in here, if we can simply test it out first before implementations. Okay, in here you see orders almost complete. Can you tell us why you abandoned the cart, please? I haven't finished yet. I haven't decided yet. I have found a better deal. So if somebody is clicking on I haven't finished yet, you say no worries, you need anything else, let us know. Okay, this is like this. So this is abandoned checkout. So we'll be clicking on when cart abandoned, start when a visitor abandoned his cart, uses Tidio, Shopify integration, provides a discount code, collects email address, collect the feedback about the checkout. So we'll be clicking on use template. So this is basically sales chatbot cart abandoned, and these are the flows here. You can see that we do have these flows. Find out how this bot performs. Okay, so in here you see you can use these things for the zoom zoom out, and then here in the triggers we do have options of triggers, and if we click on edit here, you see it works like this. In here you see delay, there is a delay, then it starts a chatbot message and then deliver quick response, and then we do have these options available. It works like this, and we can simply click on save and activate, and we'll see here is your 15% code. Enjoy shopping. Add a coupon code, and you can select for your course from your course coupon code name. We'll give it a learn. Get 15 off, and okay, this is like this. Then we will click on save and continue. Add a coupon code. You have to give the code like this, and you can click on name, new, get 15 off, and then you can give discount value in percentage 15%, and you can click on save here. Okay, this coupon has been saved, and you see that this has all 15% off of the entire order, active from March 15. So add it to your Shopify store as well. So now we'll be clicking on save and continue. So this chatbot action has been saved, increase sales, and then we do have this cart abandoned, now enable, and then these are the chatbot actions we have enabled. And in increase sales we have 3 ones. One is proactive welcome message, handle missed conversations. You can also edit these, and you can also see at the stats, and you can edit notes by clicking on edit notes like this. First visitor on site, chat status, send a chat message. Okay, now you see we do have another option in the chatbots, generate leads. You don't have chatbots for generating leads. Explore chatbots, templates, generate more leads, build your marketing mailing list, get leads with ease across multiple channels. So here we'll be clicking on explore templates, add from scratch, and then we do have options available in the template. Subscribe now and receive our latest promotion. We will be clicking on use templates. This is really useful regarding up conversions, upsells, and more conversions. So here you see the categories are pre-sale and smart pop-ups. So we'll be clicking on use templates. It would be like this. So in here we'll be clicking on test it out. Okay, you see that subscribe now and receive our latest updates and promotions. Subscribe me, no thanks. It will be like this. So this is how it works. You can also edit it and you can also save it. And there are also solved problems. You don't have chatbots for solving problems, so we'll be exploring in it. Keep in touch on weekends. Like here, you can also AI responder. You can always respond to your customers' questions. And then we do have option now, automate repetitive answers, leaving the page, shipping zones board, and we have product availability board. You can also use these chatbots. Keep in touch on weekends. You can use templates, and you can also test it out like this. So in here you see we reply immediately. Our customer support is not available on weekends. We'll get back to you during office hours. And if you want to ask something, please leave us email. It will be like this. So you can simply edit it and save it accordingly. We do have more as much as templates available in the chatbots. And in here, you click on others, increase sales, generate leads, solve problems. You can always have as much as templates available. And then if you go back to your dashboard, you see we do have completed 3 of 5 actions. So connect your Instagram. You can also connect your Instagram by connecting here, and don't miss any conversation. Tidio is available on all popular platforms, so you can access and reply to your store customers easily from any of your platform. And then you can have an option of chatbots here that we have already tried. We do have option of visitors available here, you see. And then we do have an option of contacts available here. Like all of our contacts will be showing here. And then we do have option available of analytics, in which you will be getting all the analytics regarding operators, regarding leads, regarding sales, and then regarding tickets, any of ticket that has been opened by you. customer on your store can be managed and resolved from here. So these are the options in the settings. You see, you can also change your appearance here in the Tidio, any of color you can match with your store colors, and you can also give an custom message here on your live widget on your store for your chatbot. And in here you can also give these actions. You can edit any of your things here, and in the sidebar for live chat you can also edit this. And if you click on it, you see you do have these options. You can always change all these options from here. And on the installation, we have already installed, and then chat page, you can give name, any of name that you want to give it to your customers. You can use the logo, you can use the brand color, you can use the company URL, and click on save. You can use any translations for your customers from English to any of other translation languages, like all languages available here. And then in the ticketing section, you can connect your email and you can receive the tickets for your customers in here, and you can get them resolved here. And then we do have Facebook Messenger option here. You can connect it with Facebook and you can get resolved the issues for your customers. And you and your team members can see all messenger communication in one place, and then Instagram. And then in the personal, in the account section, you can see that you do have this option. You can always change the accounts, credentials, profiles from here. And in the notification, you can check the notification settings here. Operation hours, you can enable your operating hours from here directly. And then in the general, you can get canned responses, and then in the workflow, you can select chat assignments for manual, and the role probing. Operators are assigned automatically. Our operators assign themselves to selected conversations. And then you do have automatic solution, only conversation without a customer reply are automatically solved. And then you have team members, operators, and then the departments. You can add up new departments here. You can add up new operators here in the team sections. So you can access all of your customers with different departments and teams. You can have customer satisfaction option available here. So you know how your customers are giving satisfaction to you, team members. And then for desktop and mobile, we have different apps available for Tidio on any of your device. And then we do have contact properties, and you can take a contact property from here easily. And then project and billing section, and then you do have these preferences options available. Your billing, your tracking, and you can have all the sections available here regarding developers. You can use APIs, and this is what all about Tidio Premium that we use today. And we have already, I hope you guys understand. If you like the video, do subscribe and press the bell icon, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And yes, you can get the 20% off Tidio for premium plan with Ecom Premium. This specific link, you can just click it out by clicking in the description. The link has been already given. And thanks again for joining us, and have a great day. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.